Hi, it's Eloisa. So today I'm going to take you on a little tour of the kids' home setup. I'm going to show you the different things that they have purchased and the way they've chosen to set them up. And this is so that you can see just what it's like and what they've chosen to do. So just before we do that, they went on a bit of a scouting mission across the property about places that they wanted to potentially live and pitch their tents. Anyway, they decided sort of a week before they were supposed to move out that they wanted a test run. So they've set up quite close to the house, and they've actually got I think they quite like it there as well because it's a bit accessible to everything else. So I'm not sure if they're going to go further afield, but they've now got a portable house, so that's an option if they choose to go that way. So yeah, here is their portable tent, their portable home setup. So this is the children's camp setup. This one is Charlie's setup. He has a floor mat, a tent and a gazebo. He chose to get a more expensive gazebo because he thought it was better quality, and it has a anti-pooling mechanism, which means that there's extra bars under the roof so the water doesn't collect. So this is his little house. Okay, this is Isabella's setup. So she had a bit of a different tent and a different gazebo. This is Archie's setup. This is the toilet setup. I'll take you round so you can see inside. So the kids cleaned it the other day, made it all nice. And they have some nice earth in there. And this will be their new toilet. This is so far their outside kitchen setup. Fridge, sinks, bench. Has yet to be fully set up. So tomorrow we'll give you a full tour.